test of the hot Toto. Today we're doing the hot Toto taste test.
Don't forget about that salted caramel yogurt eating.
Hi guys, today we're going to do the hot cocoa taste test. Hi guys, welcome back to Littlest Beanie Boos. We have a special guest, our brother Devin. We're going to taste it and then we're going to taste what it tastes. And then we're going to rate it. Like 1 for 10.
This is the first one. Oh, it's cold.
It tastes like chocolate milk. A little bit. I don't kind of like it.
You guys took
I
too
love
long.
it.
That's why it's cold.
I love it. I think it's just a 2-star. I love it. It tastes hot.
As a 4.
I'm gonna put mine as a 6. 2. The second one. I didn't taste more of it. That's, 1 hour later. I think this is kind of like 10-star because it's like really good. I think it's 11-star. And this kind of tastes like chocolate. Yeah, me too. I think it's 11-star too.
I think this is, I'll give it a 7.
This is the final one.
Here we
Let's
go.
go. Wait. Didn't get to taste them. This was, I think it was a 12-star to me because it was cool. And I love it. I think this was a 100-star. And that I think it is mint chocolate.
I'll give mine a 9.5 star. Mom, what was that throw?
Down.
Mine was this one. It's pretty good. Can I take the patent, Mama? My favorite one was all of them really. I can't pick one. All of them are really good.
I have to go Swiss Miss.
Hi, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to do this too. And like and subscribe and tell your friends to like and subscribe too. Stay tuned for new videos. Bye! I hope you like this video.